There are 6 preparation. Among them there is synthesis, that is direct combination is most important. By reaction of chlorides and nitrates, chloride and nitrates with, here it is with concentrated H2SO4. Here you just make it point, concentrated H2SO4. That is NaCl plus H2SO4 concentrated NaHSO4 plus HCl this, if it is more acid is taken, then twice NaCl plus H2SO4 that is concentrated. This is below 200 degrees Celsius. This is above 200 degrees Celsius. Here Na2SO4 Na2SO4 plus twice HCl. Same thing, KNO3 plus H2SO4 concentrated below 200 degrees Celsius. KH, all will not replace, KHSO4 plus HNO3, KNO3 plus twice KNO3 plus H2SO4. This is above 200 degrees Celsius. K2SO4 plus twice HNO3. So the fifth one. So here with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Then the sixth one that you know, that zinc, lead, aluminium, this can react to form soluble salt. Is it the sixth one? By the reaction of metals, which metals? I am showing metals with strong concentrated alkalis. zinc, lead, aluminium. Bas, these three. Zinc, lead, aluminium, this metal. Zn plus twice NaOH, strong, boiling required. What form? Na2, ZnO2. You know that this ZnO2 is zincate, it is anion. This is cation, sodium zincate. Plus H2. Similarly, lead, Pb, I am taking another strong alkali, say twice KOH, boiling, K2 PbO2 plus H2. What is that? Potassium plumbate. And another is aluminium. This is the last, the preparations of soluble salt. Next class, the insoluble salt. These reactions, you just little practice. The aluminium one. Because plenty of water is required in this reaction. Twice NaLO2 plus thrice H2 sodium aluminate. This reaction you just little practice. Plenty of water is required. Sodium aluminate. Is it understood, boys? Understood? Okay. Thank you today for next class, that is insoluble salts will do.